let's talk about real estate and the commercial real estate market for a moment. What's happening in this country is we have seen no headlines whatsoever with regard to the commercial real estate market. It's on the verge of collapse, folks. So if you're in there, if you've got real estate for sale and so forth commercially, you still got time to get out because you haven't seen it happen on the downside yet, all right? We're going into a major recession. Commercial real estate vacancy rates are going to be up strongly, all right? The number of times by which cash flow is measured, by which these stocks are valued and so forth, and by the way buildings are valued, it's done on what's called the back of the envelope analysis. If you want to know more on that, you can just type into Google back of the envelope analysis, and essentially what it means is this. If I want to know what deal is a good deal or a bad deal, I should be able to figure it out on the back of an envelope. It's that simple. You don't need discounted cash flow theories that an MBA would sit there with spreadsheet analysis working on his business computers and so forth. That's all nonsense. You can figure out on the back of an envelope whether or not a deal is a good deal. And a lot of that depends on falling vacancy rates and what the tenant is willing to pay for rent. That's how much money you got to work with. It's very simple in real estate. We have never gone into a recession without commercial real estate getting creamed on the downside. The recession is just starting in this country. This one's going to last anywhere from 2-3 quarters to a year and 1 year and 2 quarters. It has to. It has to. I mean, because the Federal Reserve Board has the Fed funds rate down to 1 point. Well, let me tell you something. It can't cut anymore. What's it going to go to 0? Japan was at 0 for 5 years and their economy didn't move because they didn't know how to handle it properly. I think we're smarter than Japan. We've got a history of knowing what we've got to do in crisis, and I think the guys in power will do what they've got to do to make this thing okay, but not before commercial real estate collapses. You're going to have a major downside move, and the REITs, the Real Estate Investment Trust, they're already off 30-40%, not over yet. They've got to be down 50-60% before this is over. Have a great day. If you want to know how to make money in these stocks and so forth, come visit the website. Thank you.